Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe of jello fruit cake dessert, and this is made with fresh fruits. And the jello which we are going to make is using an agar powder, which is very healthy and it's vegan. And the recipe which I am going to share with you is very easy, healthy, as well as delicious. So, hope you guys like this recipe. Do try it and comment down below. So, let's start preparing. So, for this, I have taken fresh strawberries, seedless grapes, as well as cherries. And for strawberries, I have cut it into two pieces like this. Now, since it is Valentine's Day special dessert, so I'm going to cut it with a heart-shaped cutter in this way. And cutting in heart shape is absolutely optional, it's up to you, but occasionally, like for Valentine's Day, you can do it. And I'm using different size of heart-shaped cutters. Depending on the size of the strawberry, I'm going to give the heart shape in this way. So I'm going to do this for all the strawberries. Other than these strawberries and cherry, we also need canned fruit and two kiwis, and also we are going to give shape to the kiwi, like star shape, flower shape. It's optional, it's up to you, but I'm trying to give that because it gives a beautiful look, especially on Valentine's occasion. And also we will take one orange. Make sure that orange is sweet, and only we are going to take the pulp of the orange. Along with these fruits, we also need canned fruits, the tropical canned fruits. And I'm going to separate the fruit from the syrup, and we are going to make use of both the fruits as well as the syrup. And so all of these are the fruits which we are going to use in our dessert. Along with that, we need a mango pulp, a coconut milk, and also we need agar powder, which is a vegan's gelatin, and it is full of nutrition and low in calories. So let's start. Here I'm going to pour around 360 ml of water, and I'm also going to add around 120 ml of the fruit syrup. You can use any fruit syrup whichever you like. I'm using the fruit syrup of the tropical canned fruits, and we are going to add 1.5 teaspoon of the agar powder. Make sure that you add the agar powder when the water is cold, otherwise it will form lumps. And in order to dissolve the powder thoroughly, we are going to cook this syrup, and the cooking point will be until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, that means the syrup is ready. So we are going to boil this. And while in the process of boiling, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, Sugar is again optional, and it depends on your choice. You can select the quantity if you want less or more. It is totally your decision. And now you can see it started boiling, so our syrup is ready. So now we are going to immediately pour some amount of syrup, because the agar powder syrup should be used when it is hot, because it will set at the room temperature. So quickly, when the syrup is hot, we are going to place all the fruits, and we are going to pour the agar syrup quickly. After arranging all the fruits, I am going to place this in the refrigerator for at least half an hour, and then only I am going to pour the next level or the next layer. Now our first layer is ready. Now we will move this and prepare the second layer. For second layer, I am taking coconut milk. Here I am using 180 ml of the coconut milk, and I am going to add the half teaspoon of the agar powder, and also a pinch of salt, and also we are going to add some sugar, around 1 teaspoon of sugar. And to mix this ingredients, we are going to boil it, and we are going to put this layer on top of the set fruit jello. Remember that it should be set, otherwise it will penetrate through. And then for the third layer, I am taking mango pulp, around 180 ml, and to that I am adding 60 ml of water. And since the mango pulp already had sugar, I'm not going to add sugar. I'm adding half a teaspoon of agar powder. And depending on the consistency of the mango pulp, you can add water. Make sure that it's kind of juicy consistency. And once that is done, we are going to make the third layer. And always remember then that before layering, you should refrigerate the first layer for half an hour, second layer for another half an hour, and then you can put the third layer, otherwise it will penetrate through. And then I have set this in refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour of refrigeration, this is how it looks. And now to remove it, we are going to use a knife to loosen the cake, and then we are going to flip it. And after flipping, you can see that the cake comes out in a very smooth way, and this is how it looks like, all the 3 layers. So guys, our Valentine's Day special jello fruit cake is ready to serve. And you see that the leftover heart-shaped strawberries I have decorated on top of the cake, and it's a very delicious treat for anyone, and do try this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy Valentine's Day.
Everything's unfolding as it should, and I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find.